to our video about the Merchant mobile app. This app is designed for the merchants and sales officer who wants to sell protection plans and book service requests. Let's take a closer look. First, you will need to register for the app and complete a KYC verification process. Once you are approved, you can log into the dashboard using email password, mobile OTP or Google and start using the app. Register now. For the registration, you have to first enter your valid 10-digit mobile number and get the OTP. Once you receive the OTP, enter the OTP and continue. Enter your essential details: name, valid email address, password. A password must include one uppercase, one lowercase with minimum of 8 characters, and type merchants or sales officer. Suppose I enter the sales officer and sign up. On sign up, you have to fulfill the KYC details, personal details that include your address, city, state, PIN code. Documents include PAN card and Aadhaar card. PAN card, you have to verify your PAN card number and an image. Aadhaar card, enter your Aadhaar card details. Bank details, it include account number, IFSC code and verify it. Once you fulfill the KYC details, you have to pay registration fees 1000 plus GST, or if you have promo code, enter the promo code and submit your form and wait for the dashboard page to approve. Once the KYC is approved for the merchant able to see the dashboard page. In the dashboard, you may able to see the protection plan and service request number and self protection plans which are there and service request. Let's come to self protection plan. We are providing the 4 protection plans. First one is extended. In case of extended, you have to select the type of products, select the plan, enter the device price. Based upon the device price, you will get the plan cost. Once you get the plan cost, you fill the customer details and pay for the plan. Once you pay for the plan, later on you can add the device details and activate the plan. Now let's come to book a service request. We are providing 4 types of service requests: assure warranty, which is free of cost, and a single step request. In case of Insta repair, you have to pay for the booking fee and add the customer and device details and book the service. In case of brand warranty also, you have to pay for the booking price and add the customer and device details and book the service. Same as for extended warranty. On each selling of protection plan and booking a service, a merchant get commission. If you want to earn how commission he will get, he may able to see from the trial. If he need any help, he can connect to the support. If you want to know how it works, he may able to see in the dashboard only. Other than that, in the dashboard, merchant may able to see how many protection plans he sell and service order he booked on behalf of the customer. In the profile section, he may able to view his personal, company and bank details. Thank you.